Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 35. Which of the following has successfully launched its first commercial satellite called Shakuntala? Options: Agnikul Cosmos, Pixel, Dhruva Space, Capella Space. So let's look into the answer. India's space tech startup Pixel has launched its first commercial satellite called Shakuntala with SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. It hosts one of the highest resolution hyperspectral commercial cameras ever flown to space. It is capable of capturing orbital images in more than 150 bands of color from the visible and infrared spectrum within a resolution of 10 meter per pixel. So the right answer for this question is option B, Pixel. Pixel, it's a startup company and it has launched its first commercial satellite named Shakuntala. And here is another question for you. Mohammed Irfaan Ali, who is a recipient of Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award, is the president of which country? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.